Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Park the Chrysler 300 on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts. Gather tools: a 10mm socket, a 13mm socket, a 3/8" ratchet, a panel clip remover, Phillips and flat screwdrivers, and a torque wrench. Also prepare trim clips and replacement fender, gloves, and rags. Have a helper ready for alignment. Note the panel layout by taking photos so you know bolt locations and clip positions before removal. Loosen lug nuts, lift the vehicle with a jack, and secure it on stands. Remove the front wheel to expose the wheelhouse. Pull back the inner liner and remove approximately 8 plastic clips and retainers with the panel clip remover to access fender bolts. Use a 10mm and 13mm socket to unfasten about 4 fender bolts along the front, top, and door hinge region. Before extracting the panel, disconnect any side marker or ground connectors to release electrical and chassis attachments. With a helper, position the replacement fender on the vehicle and loosely install the fasteners by hand to hold alignment. Check panel gaps and aim for approximately 3 mm between the hood, door, and fender. Adjust the fender until gaps are even before tightening. Once aligned, snug bolts with a 10mm socket, then use a torque wrench to set final torque to manufacturer specifications. Reinstall the inner liner and its roughly 8 clips. Reconnect electrical connectors, remount the wheel, lower the car, and perform a final gap check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.